I'm going to show you the top 3 apps today that will pay you up to $500 every single hour just by sitting at home doing the things that you already do. The first app that you're going to get into is called... Quick disclaimer, I would appreciate it so much if you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. Every single week I put out videos so you can be an entrepreneur and work from home. All right, but first I want you to take a look at these results right over here. As you can see, I've earned over $500, but disclaimer, results are not typical, okay? People are lazy, people don't do the work. Just because I do it doesn't mean you can, okay? You may make more money than me, you may make less money than me. All right, great. Now that we got that out of the way, I want you to stay to the end of this video because what I'm gonna do is release little tips and tricks that are gonna help you guys make more money with these apps. So here are the 3 things that you need to know right now. Number 1 is we're gonna list the 3 apps that are actually gonna pay you from the lowest to the highest amount. Number 2, I'm gonna teach you how to redeem your cash. And number 3, my personal favorite, how to automate $1,000 a day into your bank account. All right, so the first thing that you need to do is actually come on over here to paypal.com and set up an account. If you don't already have a PayPal account, this is very important because these companies, they either pay out via gift card, cryptocurrency, or PayPal, and we wanna make sure that we get all our money to PayPal so we can redeem it for cash. That's step 1. All right, so the next thing now that you have your PayPal set up is you're gonna come on over to buzzbreak.news, okay? This is the actual first site that you need to sign up for. Now, Buzzbreak pays people to literally read headlines, okay? So for people that already wake up, they grab their phone in the morning and they scroll through the headlines, the news, what's going on in the world, or, you know, when you're running late for work and you shouldn't be on your phone, okay, it's actually going to pay you money to be doing this, okay? 77,802 reviews. And it's showing currently they have over a 4 stars out of 5. All right, so let's go down here. It says, Buzzbreak is a news app that shows you all the popular content from the internet. You can read world-breaking news as well as local news. You can find all funny videos from all over the web. You will earn cash while doing these activities above. It says you can watch hundreds of US TV channels for free on top of that. I don't know about the TV channels, guys, but that may be a bonus for you. And of course, the part everybody wants to know, if you come right down here, it says you can cash out your earnings via PayPal or other services. Boom! That is exactly what you guys wanted to know. All these 5-star reviews, guys, out of 78,000 people. Lisa here says, watching TV, videos, news, no matter how long, close to redeeming, $5. I just do it casually for another week and we'll see. So whether it's $5, let's say during a week, this will pay for your Netflix subscription, pay for your Hulu subscription, for your YouTube Premium, any of these things. So keep in mind, guys, this guy's earned $200, bonus increase to $500, okay? Enough of this app, guys. Let's get out of Buzzbreak. Let's go to the number 2 app. All right, now the next app on our list that's gonna earn us even more money is right here. It is simply called MNFST.com. I think that stands for manifest. I have no idea. So as you can see here, people are earning money. They're actually getting PayPal commissions, create content, post, get paid, receive all payments in 24 hours. Simple, guys, okay? The reason we're here is on the Google Play Store. It shows us 5,377 people gave this a 4-star review. So then if we hop over here to the reviews to actually see what people are saying, we scroll down here, we're gonna see, okay, best app, so much fun, enjoying and using, heart. Let's see, best app ever, thank you, I got $300 already, okay? Let's keep going down. Real app, earning high commissions on highly paid tasks, well done, okay? So how much are you gonna get paid per post? All you gotta do is put in your phone number, they're gonna send you a download link, and it will automatically rate and review any of your social profiles and tell you how much they're gonna pay you per post. All right, now the best part is that both these apps so far that I've showed you are both available on the Play Store and the Apple Store, and all of it is 100% free to use. And now the third and final app that you guys have all been waiting for is dailyraffleapp.com, okay? So Daily Raffle is essentially, if you've ever played the lottery or you've played any of those scratch-off games, or you've bought a ticket for you know, some big jackpot prize, all this is they're doing a daily raffle for 100% free, from $100 up to $10,000, okay? Kid you not, no catch. So of course what I'm gonna do is click on over here to the Google Play Store because we wanna know what the people think. All right, so right here, over 7,587 reviews with people giving this a 4.4 out of 5 stars, okay? I don't think it's that hard to do a raffle app. It's free money. So it says it is a risk-free app with daily prizes up to $10,000. This is not like any other game. The chances to win are very high. Daily Raffle is free, does not require any in-app purchases. There is no money that you have to pay them or anything like that, okay? And it says right here, you can transfer the money to your PayPal account or Bitcoin wallet, okay? So if you set up the PayPal account in the beginning, you're good to go. So the winner ticket is randomly generated before the draw starts. At the end of the day, the winner ticket will be revealed. So all you're gonna have to do is every single day they announce a winner, you can go in and check this. The reason this app has such good reviews is such a simple app, okay? And it is a way for you to earn up to $10,000. Final thing, these apps are amazing. Yes, you can make $100 a day. You could make $500 an hour. You could even earn up to $10,000 all at once, direct deposited right to your PayPal account. So now, what is the issue with all these apps that they seem to have in common? Now, when I was brand new, as you can see the photo here on the screen, this is actually my desk as it was set up on a card table. My computer was balanced on cardboard boxes and unused books, okay? Every single time I got my pay stub, I was unsatisfied. And it's not because I'm ungrateful, okay? Believe me, I'm extremely grateful for what I have, but I was still trading time for money. With apps like this, it's great. You get started, you learn these 3 apps, you can use them, but you're still having to put in time to trade for that money. So all of that changed when I started to learn about how to create passive income online that would pay me whether I was sleeping, whether I was hanging out with my girlfriend, whether I was on vacation, whether I was creating videos like this for you guys. Down below, the first link is the one that changed my life truly and gave me results like this. If you guys would like to earn something like this in your first 6 months of online business, that's over $4,500 per month. Click down below. It takes you to a page where there's a video of me, okay? I'll go watch that and start on this new way of life. All right, guys, that's all I got for you on this video. Hit that subscribe button, punch it in the face, kick it, hi-yo! And come back, because every single week, I'm gonna be giving you guys videos on how to make more money online, how to become an entrepreneur, and how to work from home. If any of that interests you, smash that like button down below. If you didn't like this video, I want you to go to the dislike button. I want you to double tap it, okay? Just so YouTube knows. Anyways, thank you guys so much. If you made it this far, you guys are amazing. I'll see you in the next one.
I've been up for like 2 hours. Yo, bitch came through, took a few showers. I don't bop, I just money dance, yeah. That wristwatch costs 100 grand. I don't know what you